Well, we're getting towards the end of August. Summer is drawing to a close. This is the last week of no cook meals. So what we have today is a wrap. Wraps are great because you can put them together so quickly. There's no cooking. You're in the kitchen, you're out of the kitchen. Boom, that's done. And these are the same. All I got here, these are hummus and red bell pepper and tomato wraps. So what I have in here is I've made up some hummus. I'll show you how we're going to make that in the kitchen in just a minute. Then you just throw in some red bell pepper pieces and some tomatoes, wrap them up in a tortilla, and that's it. You've got fantastic wraps for lunch, dinner, whenever. Careful, the hummus does tend to sneak out the back. All right. Got that delicious flavor of the hummus mixing in with those crunchy vegetables. This is a great meal. Enjoy. Let's go in the kitchen and make some right now. All right, to make our hummus, red bell pepper, and tomato wraps, well, first of all, we've got what we're the base of our hummus, which is chickpeas or garbanzo beans, depending on what you call them. And I have here is one 15-ounce can, rinsed and then drained. Then we have here the tomatoes, 2 tomatoes, and they've been cut into wedges, 1 red bell pepper, and long slices. Here we have a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. We have 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil. That's going to give it that different flavor than regular oil would. 2 garlic cloves crushed, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. And here to wrap, we have the 4 tortillas. Also, just in case we need a little bit extra liquid, we'll see how it goes as we're grinding them up. I've got a little bit of olive oil on standby. I don't want to put extra sesame seed oil because that'd be overpowering. 2 tablespoons is just right. All right, so let's get the garbanzo beans into the food processor. And then we're just gonna put in the other ingredients. So I'm gonna get that mayonnaise in on top here. And let's I'm gonna save the oil because we're gonna pour it in as they're mixing. Let's get those the garlic in there. It's got a nice flavor. The lemon juice, drizzle that around a bit. Salt and pepper, cumin. All right, I'm gonna have the sesame seed oil on standby here, and we're gonna kind of pulse that. We're gonna really puree it first. First, just gonna pulse it a few times, see how it goes. All right, that's starting to come together. Now we can start bringing in the sesame seed oil. That's looking just perfect. We're not going to need that extra olive oil, so we are ready to go. Well, there's our hummus. Nice and juicy and delicious. So let's get our tomatoes, our red bell peppers. We'll put the tortillas out here. And then get the blade out of the center here. Don't want to waste any of that delicious hummus. And just kind of make sure we mix any ingredients in there just sitting around on the bottom. And then just plop it onto our tortillas. Look about even. Maybe just a little bit on this extra on this one. There we go. Make sure everybody's getting the right, even amount of hummus. No complaints at the table. And then all we do is just kind of, lay in some of these red bell peppers. And then the tomatoes. And I think we're going to have a little bit more tomatoes than usual. These are kind of big tomatoes today, so I don't think I'm going to use it all. It's just going to get overly done. Any tomatoes that are left over, you just serve them up on the side with a little bit of A little olive oil and some salt and pepper or some herbs. Very nice. And I think today we're going to have a little bit left over because those tomatoes were a bit bigger than usual. Yeah, I'm going to go with about that. All right. And then let's bring our plate back in here. We just wrap them up like so, and place them upside down to hold the wrapping together. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Quite easy to make these. Hummus, red bell pepper, and tomato wraps. Enjoy. Now, if you got a link appearing on the screen, you can get the free printable recipe of our hummus, red bell pepper, and tomato wraps on our website. Also, make sure you go to our Patreon feed where you can access all our kitchen tech, focus on ingredients, and many other helpful videos to help you with your cooking, and also some cool stuff about Japan. So, now, go to the Patreon feed and then go to our site and print out the recipe and have fun making and eating these wraps. And make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.